This is a 2009 Mercedes-Benz SLK 300. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the heating package, heated front seats, satellite radio, and top-down motoring can be extended into the cooler months with the Air Scarf neck level heating system that provides warm air on the occupant's neck and shoulders from a vent beneath each headrest. The following features are also included: a power passenger seat with memory settings, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, front fog lights, a traction control system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. This Mercedes-Benz has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.